Hey, do you want to learn how to find your Totalum AI API key? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. So first you need to go over to Totalum dashboard, the account page. So you just need to go over here. After that, over to the left-hand side, you're going to find API. So just click on that. And then you need to scroll down. Here, you'll see your API key, the box, and your default API key. You can copy it from the right-hand side. If you want, you can also manage these API keys. So you can press on this and then you'll find this right here. You can give a tag to your key. For example, I can say production, and then I can restrict it to specific projects as well that I've created. And then I can restrict it and then create the key like this. And then if you scroll down again, you click on manage API keys, you'll find your default key and the one that you've just made. You can copy the key from here, and you can also delete the key if you want to. Also, if you want to change the restriction for a specific key, for example, your default key, you can do that. You can restrict it to this project or another project and save it as well. Copy it from here, and yeah, that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Totalum AI related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.